Hi, good afternoon. Today is August 27. Yan po ang beauty ng Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. That one, that's the US. Yun po yung falls ng US. And the biggest Niagara Falls is for Canada, this one. Yan po. Nasa 24th floor po ako ng hotel. For the amazing Niagara Falls in Canada. Yan. Nandyan din po yung hydroelectric power plant ng Ontario. I have almost 6 months here in Canada. In 5 months na rin po ako nag-work dito sa hotel. Yan po. The amazing Niagara Falls. Then mamayang hapon pupunta po kami dyan ng aking ka-roommate. Relax. Then the bridge po is yan po yung boundary between the US and Canada. Yan po yung falls ng Buffalo, USA. Yan po. Ito naman po yung Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Ito lang po ako. Hello everyone.